What's up guys, Pircock here, and you're here because you want to learn how to use your second or separate YouTube account to check your rankings. Now, it's known that YouTube is using personalized data and they actually track everything we do, and that's the way they recommend the stuff to us, that's the way they create the suggested videos, that's the way they create our result pages page. If you are a creator and if you are posting new videos, you want to know how well you rank for certain terms. Now, tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, they both great tools, but these tools doesn't give us an accurate ranking information simply because they just use incognito window, which is not enough to ensure that YouTube gonna show them exact results as they are for someone who has never used the YouTube before. For a while, I've been using Morning Fame to check my rankings. Now, the problem with Morning Fame is it's going to show you only top 20 positions on a search term, which is not enough sometimes because you might be 21st. The point is that I figured out how to set up the second account. And if you use your second account for a purpose that you created it and you don't watch videos with it, but only search for it, it will permanently stay untouched. It will permanently keep and show you results exactly as they are on YouTube. There are small differences based on area you are searching from, based on country you're searching from. So it might be slightly shifted from Morning Fame, but it's maximum one of two places. Like for example, third place is shifted with fourth, or third is shifted with seventh, and stuff like that. But there is no changes, and they're definitely not related to your searches on your computer. Before we go to the content, I just want to let you know that here at my channel, I'm talking about how to make money online, how to quit your 9 to 5 and earn your freedom. Also, I'm focused on a YouTube growth, so if you're into it, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And now, let's hop into content. Alright guys, we are inside my computer and over at youtube.com, and I'm gonna hop on and search for some term like how to make a website for free. And then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and search for, I don't know, we're gonna click for someone down underneath, like Hogan Chua. He's around 15th or 20th position right now. And what's important to do here, not to click on one of the videos which says related, but the one that actually shows here, because YouTube is always changing these result pages. So if you haven't noticed, recently they added related videos to the search topic that you're looking for, which are actually right now trending or sort of, you know, getting suggested a lot and getting a lot of views and have a lot of velocity at the moment. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on one of these videos, like how to make a WordPress website for free, best method for 2019 by Hogan Chua. And obviously ads, I'm gonna skip this ad. And I'm just gonna play this for maybe 35 seconds, that will be enough. Meanwhile, I'm gonna hop on Morning Fame. That's a tool I recommend and use for keyword research. And I'm gonna search for this particular keyword, and let's see how far is Hogan Chua on the search result pages. And if you scroll down, he is at the 12th position. You can see there was already a little bit difference in the rankings between my computer on a brand new account and between results here at Morning Fame. But let me show you what's gonna happen after this particular search. If I go and search again, I go to back to desktop and search how to make a WordPress for free. It's now showing at the number 4 or 3 because this is ads. So it's now ranked 3 because we watched it, and now any topic from his channel will be shifted. So everything from Hogan Chua's channel, if we search for anything related, because we watched his video, YouTube gonna position his videos higher against the other videos for us, only for us. And that's what YouTube actually doing to personalize search data, because he believes now, oh, they like this guy or they don't like this guy, and they're gonna push videos of the YouTubers that you already watched higher in search result pages, and they're gonna completely get mixed if you continuously watching videos and if you have all these tools and watch history and search history activated, or eventually if you add something to watch later and stuff like that, like, comment, anything like that. So let me show you what we're gonna do, and let's see how it's gonna change results. So for now, we know it was ranking number 12 at Morning Fame. Let's hop into my library. So how we gonna change this? And we're gonna go library, and then you will see here are 4 videos that I've recently watched, all of them today, even some before. And then what you want to do here is you want to go history, and here you want to go watch history, and you'll see here is your watch history. Now clear all watch history, clear watch history, and then pause watch history and pause it again. Same thing with the search history. Again, search history, clear search history, and then pause search history. Same, check your comments, check your community and live chat. Everything should be empty. If you have anything in subscriptions, it's gonna show up here. If you have any liked videos, make sure you didn't like any videos. Make sure you have no videos in watch later. Make sure you didn't create any like playlists or something with a separate account. If you have any, you have to remove them all. There is also one more thing that you have to ensure is removed. You have to turn off personalized YouTube ads, because that affects as well. So click on your icon and then click manage your Google account. Here, click on data and personalization and make sure that all of these activities are disabled. And if you want, go check them and make sure that they are empty as well. I know mine are empty because this is like brand new account I just created earlier. Also, if you don't know how to create a separate account, make sure you check that card that I just put up there. Now you see add personalization. This is what you want to turn off. So go to add settings and turn it off and off. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna completely shift results for you back to normal results. Now what you want to do, you want to go to YouTube. YouTube doesn't know and doesn't have any history about us. You don't even have to go incognito anymore. Also, one more tip that I found out is sometimes if you're using computer for like 10 hours and then you switch from your main account to this account and search for something, it's gonna pick up that it's the same person and it's not gonna give you exact results. So what you wanna do, you wanna change your IP address and just reboot the computer. You don't have to clean cookies or anything like that. And now let's search for how to make a website. Okay, let's search for how to make a website for free. And let's see what's gonna happen. And he's of course not 4th. He's actually 12th, I think so. So he's now meeting the results pages from the morning fame. But you can see that there are slightly different results. Like for example, this guy is showing here, and then that blue guy that is 8th is showing to me at the, what was that, like 12th position or something like that. So guys, results are slightly shifted. I would say the different results are based on different countries. Mainly top 10 remains the same. What I also realized recently, YouTube is adding these related videos and they slightly shift the result pages, and sometimes even a lot. Oh, these are related. You see, those are related to the main keyword. So they don't have for free in it, but they still ranking high because they currently trending or whatever. So keep that in mind. Don't click on anything, and you can use this very accurate software. Now let's search for something else. Let's search for example, how to create an app, and let's see what's gonna show, and is it gonna be the same? And you'll be very surprised. It's gonna be extremely accurate. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what are my 5 to top 5. Are they the same? They're not the same. They again slightly different. Look, number 2 at mine is number 5 over there. Number 1 is the same one. Number 2 is number 3. That's what I'm saying. It's slightly shifted, but guys, trust me, it's nothing to do with what you watched previously. It's only to deal with what country you're searching from. I believe this is really accurate, and I've been doing this over like a couple of months, and it's extremely accurate because I'm checking how my posts are doing, and I can see significant improvements in the traffic as they're ranking higher or lower. I can see those shifts happening actually. And I hope this is what you were looking for. I hope this will save a little bit of your time. And before I knock off, I just want to put Morning Fame one more time in the spotlight. Morning Fame is a keyword research tool that I'm using literally on a daily basis. It helped me grow my brand new channel from 0 subscribers to 328 subscribers with over 200 searches or 200 visits from search on some days, which is actually amazing considering I've published only 9 videos so far. I did a really good content research and really good content strategy. There is no doubt that this is a tool for you, whether you're a good established YouTuber or a brand new YouTuber just starting out. It costs 13 bucks a month in a premium version, and I think basic version is around $5 a month. But if you use the link down below in the description, you're gonna get 1 month for free. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know what you think about it. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like and comment in the description below. If you know anyone it can help, make sure you share it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure to check these 2 cards on the right hand side because I'm gonna leave something interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.